Mastering TOEFL Speaking. Unveiling Task 3 Sample Questions. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the TOEFL Speaking section, focusing on Task 3, Integrated Speaking, Listening. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the type of questions you might encounter and some top-notch strategies to tackle them. So, let's get started. Task 3 in the TOEFL Speaking section is unique because it integrates both listening and speaking skills. You'll first listen to an academic conversation or lecture, and then you'll answer a question about it. The tricky part? You have to answer coherently and concisely in a limited amount of time. When looking at sample questions, it's crucial to identify their key features. 1. Topic. Typically, this will be academic. For example, it might relate to history, science, arts, or another university subject. 2. Structure. The question often asks you to summarize or explain a concept, debate, or perspective discussed in the listening part. 3. Response time. Remember, you'll have a limited time to formulate and deliver your response. Let's go through some examples to give you a clearer picture. 1. Question. The professor discusses the concept of photosynthesis. Summarize the main points and explain its significance in the context of plant growth. 2. Question. In the conversation, two students debate the merits of online learning. Summarize their perspectives and state which one you think is more convincing, and why. 3. Question. The lecture touches on the Renaissance era's impact on modern culture. Summarize the key points made by the lecturer and provide a personal insight or connection to the topic. To excel in this task, follow these strategies. 1. Active listening. Engage actively with the conversation or lecture. Take brief notes if needed. 2. Plan. Before speaking, take a moment to organize your thoughts. Decide on the main points and how you'll present them. 3. Be concise. Avoid long-winded explanations. Stick to the core points and ensure clarity in your answer. 4. Practice. Like any skill, the more you practice responding to these questions, the better you'll become. There you have it. With the right strategies and ample practice, you can ace Task 3 of the TOEFL Speaking section. Remember, it's all about understanding, summarizing, and responding with clarity. We hope this video provides valuable insights to enhance your TOEFL preparation. Keep practicing, and see you next time.